Namaste. In Revision with Vritti, we are going to study shapes in that rolling and sliding. Shall we start, Vritti?
Yes, Amma.
Okay. Will they roll or slide? Take a water bottle. Push it along the floor. Does it roll or slide? Water bottle slide agata, roll agata.
Roll.
Take a book. Push it along the floor. Does it slide or roll?
Slide.
Slide. Take a carom coin, push it along the floor. Does it slide or roll? Write R for roll, S for slide, and RS for object that roll and slide. Okay.
Roll. Slide. Roll.
Roll.
Slide. Slide. Slide.
Roll.
How? No.
Roll and slide. RS. Slide. Book.
Yeah.
Next. Match solid shapes in a group A to the traced outline in group B by numbering them accordingly. Okay. Group A and group B. So, bangles and book. So, first we will see bangles. Number 1. Book.
2.
Cheese.
3.
Sharpener.
4.
Eraser.
5.
Dice.
6.
Cake slice.
7.
Okay. Okay. Next. Identify the shadow and write the names of the object.
Ant. Car. 3. Umbrella. 10. Camel. Dog. Balloon.
UMBRELLA.
Balloon. Ship. Lion. Cycle. Cow.
Good. CYCLE. Next, we will see the revision station of world of shapes. Okay. Identify and write the name of the shapes given below.
Cylinder.
Cylinder.
Square. Sphere. Wait. Cube.
Cube.
Cone.
Hmm.
Spear.
Hmm. Next, circle the numbers and letters made up of straight lines and cross out the ones made up of curved lines. Okay, so we have to circle the numbers made up of straight lines and we have to cross the number made up of curved lines. Okay, so Z, T, 3, O,
Zero.
no, 0, K, 4, 9, 7, A, I, X. Next, trace your hand on the paper. You have to take a paper and trace your hand on the paper. Okay. Next, name the objects in your class that can roll and slide both. You have to name the objects in whatever there in your class. We have to identify is it rolling or slides. Okay. Next, draw a cuboid, a cylinder and cone. Mark their faces, edge and corner. Okay, we have to draw the cuboid, cylinder and cone. Then we have to mark where it is face, edge and corner. Understood? Next, count and color the given picture. So number of circles. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13.
We have to color circle.
Which color?
Any color is okay. There is no color code. Next, number of rectangles.
17.
17. I have to color. ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹಂಗಾರೆ 14 ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಪ್ಪಿ. ಇದು ಸಹ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಫೇಸ್. ಹಾಂ 13 ಅಲ್ಲ 14. ಕಲರ್ ರೆಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಬಾಯ್ ಕಾಲು ಇದು 18 ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದು ಇದು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಯಿತಾ, ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲಿಗೊಂದು ಮಾಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್.
Triangles. 5.
Next, number of ovals.
1.
Okay, now we will see this worksheet. Use the code box to write the letters on the blank space below and draw the shapes accordingly. Okay, so ಇದದು 4 ಡಾಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ 4 ಡಾಟ್ಸ್?
Square. Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು 3, ಈ ಟೈಪ್ 3.
3 dot. Q.
ಇದು
U.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಯು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಡಾಟ್ ಎ.
A.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಆರ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇ.
Square.
ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್, ಡ್ರಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಸಿ. ಇದು ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಇದು 1 ಡಾಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಯು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಬಿ.
E.
ಇ.
Cube. C. Q. O. I. T. Cuboid.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
S. P.
ಪಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಇದು ಹೆಚ್. ಇ. ಆರ್. ಇ.
Spear.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ. ಐ. ಆರ್. ಆರ್. ಸಿ. ಸಿ. ಎಲ್. ಇ. Tomorrow we will see subtraction. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.